Okay, we're going to fix our smiley drawing. You'll notice that there's some mistakes on this drawing and that we've got some of the dimensions incorrect. So I'm going to show you how to fix things. The first mistake is that this says 1.5 inches and it should say 1 3/4 inches. And so instead of redrawing the drawing, what we're going to do is move this to the correct place. If you notice, and we take our tape measure tool, we measure over from the side. This corner should have been at 1 3/4 inches, but it's at 1.5 inches. So we're going to measure over on the red axis and type 1 3/4 inches. And this corner should be here. And now what we're going to do is get our black arrow, highlight that line that goes from front to back, and move it from where it's located currently to where it should be. And you can notice that my numbers are correct now. Another mistake is that the distance between the eyes is incorrect. It should be 2, and we've got like 1 53/64. So we have a couple options. If it's supposed to be 2, that's basically like saying 1 64/64. So if you take 64 minus 53, you get 11. So we're off by 11/64. So if you highlight the eye, and you want to make sure that you get the front and the back eye, because if you only get the front and you move it, watch what happens. It's not working. Let's try it again. It just, they both don't move together. So what you want to do is make sure that we highlight both the front and the back. You can hit Control on your keyboard and select both of those. And now we're going to move it to the right and add 11/64 in distance to our number. So now if we click on it and move it over, we're going to type on our 10 key 11 fraction bar 64, enter, and now our number's correct at 2 inches. Another common error, and you can see that the thickness may look off to you. This is supposed to be a 1/2 inch thick. If I measure it, it's actually 25-30 seconds, okay, is to make the thickness correct. And so what we're going to do is use our tape measure again, measure down. So this is, you want to be careful here because the green axis is measuring out from the smiley. This measures down, and we're going to type in 0.5. That's how thick it should have been. So there's the correct thickness, and this is what I did it. I'm going to flip and look at the underside. And the way I'm doing that is holding down the red scroll wheel on my mouse. It's middle click. And we're going to go back to push-pull. I'm going to push-pull the bottom and then snap to that line right there. Now if you look at my dimension, it's actually a 1/2 inch. Last thing I want to show you here is 3D text. Go to 3D text. Change the height to something that's going to fit on our drawing, probably about 1 inch, the height of that eye. So just type 1, and then you're going to type in your name here, and click place. And that can go on there. And you can always edit this too. If it's too thick, you could go to scale. You could grab the middle, make it a little bit smaller. That's it.